Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Garmin Fenix 5 watch. It's the Sapphire edition. It also has the Wi-Fi built in. This is the box, a really small box. I'll be transitioning from my watch to this one. It is rated for 2 weeks of battery mode, 24 hours in GPS mode. It has a weight of 87 grams and a size of 47 millimeters. It has the wrist-based heart rate, smart notification from your cell phone, and it also has many more. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. I actually bought this one for around 330 euros. It was on sale. I got two of these. One is for my dad. I did not cut all the... Okay. Okay. So this is the watch. It's very black. Let's get it out. We'll put this to the side for a little bit. Let's get to see what it's inside. So in one box is the paperwork. Here is the paperwork, nothing more. Let's put this to the side. And on the other side you will find your... Oh, so you actually have a yellow cord for your... Okay, this is a little bit of a bonus. But where is the charger? I think this is magnetic. I did not do my research very well, as you can see. Let's unwrap the watch itself. Okay, so this is the watch. Okay, so it's a magnetic charger. So it's the Fenix 5. It is rated for 100 meters or 10 atmospheres of waterproof. It has the sapphire crystal, stainless steel body. This on top is stainless steel, and the back is stainless steel. Here on the sides, this is fiber reinforced polymer, so it's very resistant. This is my serial number here, and your charging port. So if I'm not mistaken, let's unwrap the charging USB. I had the Fenix 3, which I gave to my dad as a present, and that one had a full-on so you just connect it like this and it stays on. Okay, so you need to install your Garmin Connect app. Let's remove the cover. You have 5 buttons. It's not a touch display. Here on top you have a light, so it's lighting up, menu up, menu down. I think the watch has started. Okay, and here you have the back lap, and this one on top, I don't know what it's, play or a triangle on it. Okay, so it has turned on. You have pair with the phone, have yes or no. I cannot pair right now because I'm filming on my phone. Let's say no. So this is okay. And this one is back. The distance I will be selecting kilometers. The time format would be 24 hours or military. The gender is male. Birth of year 19, okay. 1991. This is easier to do on my smartphone. Height, I have 179 centimeters. And the weight, right now I have a hefty 110. A little bit of a fat ass right now. And my favorites, I will skip this for now. You can use GPS. I am indoors right now. I can not guarantee that this will be a good. Okay. When it's not on your wrist, it's really hard. Let's see the time. It's 17:07. 17:07. Okay, so this is the default face. I will now compare it to my Galaxy Watch. So this is head-to-head comparison. I don't know the weight, but I can find out on my Galaxy Watch. But with what I can tell, the Garmin is a little bit heavier. The wristbands are actually the same size. This is 22 millimeters and this is 22 millimeters. The heart rate works on both. I don't know. Okay, so the frequency is different. That's why you could not catch the Garmin, the Galaxy Watch. So both have stainless steel. I think this is a good watch. Let's see how quick unzip works. So I have already removed the band. Okay. Let's see how it looks on my hand. I'm mounting right now. Looks pretty decent. In direct sunlight it looks very well. Okay, I will come with feedback after a couple of weeks or days, so you can see how I'm wearing it and how it behaves. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.